Hey, rich friends, it's your girl Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created this channel to really help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders within the foreign exchange market. So if that's something that you're trying to do, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. If you get to the end of this video and you find that it's helpful, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment to let me know what you learned. But most importantly, share this video with another trader who you think that it will be helpful to. Now, if the videos just are not enough, I do offer personal mentorship, and you can also follow me on TradingView. The information is down below in my description box. So in today's quick video, I'm going to be going over this Euro USD trade that I dropped in the chat. I didn't post this one on TradingView, but I did drop this in the chat for the students that I am mentoring this month. As you can see from the timestamp, this trade was posted on July 24th, 2023, and it was suggested for a market execution sell or a sell limit at 1.1085, or that should have been or higher. Now we have our stop loss set at 40 pips. We have a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio at 40 pips for my TP1, and I also have a TP2 and a TP3 here as well. Now, it did take some time for this trade to develop. However, this trade actually did hit TP. I got the trading view notifications this morning, and TP1 and TP2 were hit, which accumulated 60 pips. So I went ahead and updated the students in my chat to let them know that money was made. So I also have my alerts on, my trading view alerts. If you want to know how to set alerts, you can watch my trading view alerts in 5 minutes video. And I'll tag that somewhere here. So I am going to head over to TradingView, and I'm going to be breaking down what I saw when I got into this trade and how it actually turned out to be profitable. So I'm going to put this thing in replay mode just to back it up, put you guys in my mindset from when I was looking at the market, and then we're going to see what actually happened. Now, this is the strategy that I use. If you guys want to learn more about my strategy, you can watch my Forex Strategies for Beginners playlist, which is also on my YouTube channel. So my strategy consists of 3 or 4 indicators. Most of the time it's 4, but I'll use 3 just if I'm catering to people who are using the free version of TradingView. Now I like to use 2 EMAs, which you can see at the top of my chart. The purple EMA is my 200 EMA, and the blue one is my 50 EMA. Now EMA stands for exponential moving average, and it acts as a trend line to let me know which way that the market is going. Now, I'll just scroll back in the past so that you guys can see an example of this. You'll notice that when the candles are above the EMAs, they tend to stay above the EMAs. And we can sort of think of the EMA as a trampoline, because when the candles come down, they're going to bounce back up, right? And we can see that happening, and the market continue to buy for a really long time. Now, vice versa, once the candles start to fall below the EMA, now the EMA is acting as an area of resistance. And for me, that tends to be an indicator for a sell. So you'll see in some instances, the candles are under one EMA, but not both. But I like to wait until it actually has crossed below. I don't really like to trade in between, but it's going to be up to you. So the first confirmation I got for a sell was that my candles were forming below both EMAs, letting me know that the trend was going down and that may continue to do so as well. Now, in the bottom half of my chart, I have the momentum indicator, which is shortened as MOM, and I also have my stochastic. Now, for the momentum, if this line is facing down, right, simply put, the market is going down, right? If this line is facing down, the market is going down, right? Same thing with my stochastic. If my stochastic is facing down, most likely the market is going down. Now, another way that you can use these indicators is to actually have the indicator numeric value to the right of it, because when the MOM is below 0, as we can see, it's -4 here, that'll let me know that the market is still in a downtrend. Just like when my stochastic is below 50, we can see we have a 30.06 and a 23.08. That also lets me know that the market was going to continue to sell down. Now, when it comes to setting my TP and my stop loss, I typically just like to use 40 pips ups and 40 pips down, because in back testing my strategy, this seems to be a decent amount of pips that would be able to be secured. So as we can see from my alerts tab here, I like to set alerts for everything. we can see that, I think it's here. We can see that TP2 was hit, and we can also see that TP1 was hit as well for this trade. So those were the confirmations I got for a sell. I decided to get into this trade, set a sell limit here, and I'm just going to play it out so we can see what happened. All right. All right, perfect. We can see actually when our TPs were hit. So we dropped this trade around 10 a.m. on July 24th, and TP2 was hit approximately 24 hours later, which is not bad. Now, you can get your profits quicker, but if you consider yourself a swing trader or you just have the patience to let your trade play out, just let it play out, because 8 times out of 10, it probably will. So again, I just wanted to give you guys a trade breakdown and a quick overview of the strategy that I use. I don't really have a name for it. Maybe I'll make one up, but it is just 2 EMAs, 1 to 2 EMAs, the momentum, and the stochastic oscillator. So until next time, rich friends.